Alright, so today's I'm going to be unboxing the Waterpik water flosser Aquarius from Waterpik. Just bought it from Amazon and it got delivered this right like 5 minutes ago, and I thought of making an unboxing video just to see what's inside. So I haven't really opened it, so it's my first time. So let's see what's in it. Okay, so here's the congratulation card, and yeah, a contact information in case of emergency, or if you have any questions regarding this product. Then you have a guide to how to use this product. Then you have this protector here, protection. Yeah, I'm thinking I can use this for my growing my little vegetables, like, you know, just a random thought. And here is the product. And let me see, first thing is the manual here. That's what you get. And again, like I always say, don't forget to register this product. This already comes with a 3-year limited warranty. But I still got my, you know, $6, $5.99 insurance from Amazon for 2 years. So that'll be like total of 5 years, 3 plus 2 years. And this one has 7 tips, 10 pressure settings, 90 seconds of water capacity, and you should have 2 kind of like floss and the massage settings. And yeah, they're like, and this is the only ADA accepted product, so I'm really excited to use this. Yeah, so regarding the product, let's see what's in it. Okay, it's pretty small than what I thought. I thought it was like a big, you know, item, but no, it's pretty small, which is good. It's not like that big. And then, so this is the thing that you're gonna use or put your tips. And this is how you open it, like that. And this comes off of, obviously, to put your water. And I think per the instructions that I've looked on, you know, videos, they advise you to use warm water. Okay, so here are the tips. So that's the container. Here are the tips. Okay, let's open it. So this is tip number 1. I don't know if they are numbered. So this is called a this is a pickpocket, and only to use on lowest pressure setting. So per tip, it's a different, you know, you have to put a different setting. So that's what's suggested over there. So this is a little cleaning brush. It's very small. Yeah. And this is another tip. It's pretty big, like the tip, right? Versus this one. This is pretty small. Yeah, that's why this one should be only used with the lowest pressure settings. Here is another tip. This one has a little brush, 3 brushes on tip. This one's a little different. It's bigger, maybe for like, you know, bigger spaces or wider spaces. This one's another one. And this is the last one. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So if I just see, maybe this one, maybe I'll just have to put it like that. Yeah, and I'll just click it. And then in order to pull it out, maybe you just do that, and then, yeah, and then put it back. just do that. It's currently off. Obviously I have to join the adapter here. I haven't, so I'm excited to use this. I can make, you know, another video of like they're kind of like a product review video. But yeah, this is what it comes with, and I'm gonna use it and see. Thank you all for watching, and do like this video if you really liked it, and maybe in the comment section below you can just let me know if you want to, you know, if you want me to make a review video of any product, like any household products that I usually use. So the reason I bought this product is because I went to my dentist today. I had an appointment, and she advised to buy this because I recently got my root canal and an extraction done. So she said there's a little gap all the way behind, and we cannot do anything except for flossing. And you know, like the thread flossing can be a little difficult where the extraction was done and then the tooth. So the only easier and then the best way is the water flossing. So that's why she advised me to get a Waterpik. Okay. All right, guys. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.